Hello traders, I hope guys you are enjoying today and banking amazing profit. Today was a blessing Friday, last trading day of the week, and most of my traders really enjoyed today banking amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I help them through live intraday analysis to squeeze amazing profit. And if you want to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community, and more information available at the video description. So let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I enjoyed today. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair: EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD chart and if you look at the 4-hour chart, as you know from yesterday, if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, we were short from here, and today we were short here. We were expecting price might going to respect and possibility of reversal, but this morning our first priority, as always, basically whenever the price break the previous low, so our first priority was to watch this breakout. If this gonna be break, then we keep taking a pullback. But if you look at here, this candle which I explained to my trader, we have bearish engulfing candle, and that's a rejection around this level. And beautiful, and that's what I explained to my trader guys. We have free traffic, so just keep taking a pullbacks. Don't even think reversal, because there's no as such obstacle here. Just keep taking it. So we have taken all these pullbacks. We are taking, technically we are short from here, and we have amazingly taking all these pullbacks and bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the entries and exit in intraday and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As you can see here, we had amazing trades. So if you look at this one, this was the analysis at the Asian session, because most of trader was expecting my going to reversal. I said to guys, as long as the momentum is bearish, first priority always be the pullback. Here you can see here we have another pullback, beautiful. I also updated that analysis in the London morning session just before the London Open. As you can see here, just before London Open, and trader was expecting possibility. We were discussing it because the price was at this level. They were discussing about, let's say we have inverted head and shoulder pattern, price might, I say guys, we're only going to take a counter once the price gonna break the previous high, recent high. Otherwise, stay with the momentum. And that's why it's a wonderful when you're trading in a community, because they're expecting a thought process. And that's what I jump into it, and I say guys, we're going to trade what we see and not what we think. And we are seeing it. We have rejection, bearish engulfing candle, beautiful breakout, and afterwards, as you can see here, price broken and retest and pullback and pullback. And I said guys, just keep taking a pullback. So we have taken a beautiful pullback short trade here, even just before the news release. And I said to guys, more likely news might be good for the dollar, so just keep taking a pullback. You can see here, pullback. We had this channel. I said if the price gonna break and retest, give us the confirmation, then we're taking a long. Otherwise, just keep taking, because we have a free traffic. You can see here, no obstacle. So we have this beautiful, this breakout pullback was performed here, another one here, beautiful short trade here. Even now, after, you know, trader was thinking now he's gonna come back. I said, look guys, look for another breakout. So we have another breakout, so we just keep taking a short trade here, mostly retail trader. That's why I jumped in. Once the price move, they're expecting, oh, it's going to reverse. I say guys, don't even think, just trade what you see it. So we had amazing conversation and an amazing pips today. Okay, so pound dollar was a beautiful trade guys. We are short from yesterday, and today we were expecting this breakout. As you can see here, possibility of, you know, there was a possibility of long, but I said guys, just trade what you see it. Once we see this rejection, we have this beautiful, and then again beautiful. The target was nicely hit, and the news was good for the dollar. And you can see here, no traffic, no problem. I say guys, just keep taking a pullback. We're only going to take a counter when the price is going to develop these two patterns, which I explained to my trader, you know, double bottom, break this one, or, you know, head and shoulder pattern, then we're going to take. Otherwise, just keep taking a short trade here. Or if the price is going to develop, you know, consider and the breakout. So that's the only way we're going to look for, consider counter. Otherwise, just keep taking a pullback short trade here. So that's what exactly we did. Let me share with you the analysis. We had amazing trade, guys. Today was a blessing Friday. Really, most of the traders really enjoyed. Okay, so let me share the start. Okay, this is the analysis, as you can see here, from Asian session. First priority pullback. You can see here price broken, but after this breakout, I said to my trader, let's wait confirmation. You can see here price broken, did not retest. As soon as the price, I said, guys, you can see here, just take a short trade here. Price is below 200 EMA, and afterwards we have this short. When the price reached this level, price was at this level, trader was expecting possibility of long. I said, guys, we're going to trade what we see it. So then I updated that analysis just to help my traders. Not, I said to guys, if you miss the trade, that's perfectly fine, but if you're in a wrong trade, is a big problem. So I did this analysis. I updated this analysis instantly as soon as they were talking. As you can see here, as momentum was bearish, I said, guys, first priority will be, you can see here price broken based on this analysis. And after the breakout, I said, guys, just keep taking. When I said pull back, then I announced another live audio commentary, grab it, another pullback, grab it, another pullback. So beautiful short trade here. Even now, price here at just before the news, trader was expecting possibility of, you know, a long trade here. I say price was at this level. I say, guys, trade what you see it. Let's see how the news was good for the dollar. This pullback around this green pip channel, you can see here, that was the pullback, and afterwards another pullback, afterwards another pullback, and explain all these trades we announced through live audio commentary. And as soon as the price hit to the red pip channel, because I say, guys, I'm done for the day, we had amazing profit, so we bank amazing profits. Price is still going down. I say, guys, don't trade counter long trade until we see price break any of the recent high. If the price does not break any of the recent high, just look this way. So we had amazing trade, guys. We had a dollar CAD. We has amazing. Dollar CAD was the trade of the week, and that's what I explained to my trader. We are long from here, guys, and that was basically, there's a two reason, which is I explained. That's what we discussed with my trader. Look at the 4 hour. We have this falling wedge, so price could not maintain this level. So we were expecting reversal. That's the one reason in 4 hour. Basically, in a high time frame, which I also discussed with my trader. Let me share with you the analysis. You can see here in trading view, and if you look at the price, this is the daily candlestick, guys. So we can see here price respected here, third touch. The most important thing is 0.786 fib level, and price respected previously this level. So we were expecting a long trade here in high time frame, and we're expecting a big trade here. So we're expecting possibility price might gonna break this previous high too. So that was the high time frame analysis. That's what we do it. But if you look at in the 4 hour chart, that's the pattern is developed that give us the significant. And if you look at here price, which is all I always train my trader, you can see here this level price broken, and after the breakout price retest, you can see here broken this level and retest, give us the confirmation. From yesterday, I say, guys, just keep taking a pullbacks. Today, price broken, and after the breakout, price retest. Guys, say, guys, take, and today was the target was this level. And let's see, because I'm expecting a continuation. Let's see, we are expecting another correction, and then another low. We'll see in upcoming days. But let me share with you the entries and exit today. It was amazing trade, guys. We were long from yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday video link is given in the video description. So from yesterday, from here, as explained, just keep taking a pullback. Yesterday we had a pullback, and at the Asian session, I always says, guys, take a pullback. We have another beautiful pullback at the Asian session. Price was at this London morning at this. I say, guys, look for another breakout. Breakout. So we have, I updated that analysis just for my London session traders. You can see here that was the analysis, and I said we're always looking along, only going to short when the price break the recent low and retest, otherwise stay long. So we have this long here, keep taking hit, and at the news came, I said, guys, just keep taking a pullback. So even now they were saying, okay, it's gonna come down. I said, look, guys, trade what you see it. Momentum is bullish. We have another pullback, and just as price was about to hit this level, profit target, and that's what I explained to my traders. Time to enjoy some profit. All right, guys, you can see here how we analyze market in 4 hour, and how we analyze the market in intraday and refine entries and exit. That's what we do every single day. I hope you enjoyed today's analysis review, but the most important part of it is you should be watching live analysis instead of reviews and banking profit in real time. And if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train my traders with the live market through live intraday analysis. And once they develop their trading skill, I also help them to get funded. And if you are interested how I coach and train my trader with the live market every single day, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Places are very limited because I'm very selected in terms of taking trader on board, because that's what I give them funds. That's the whole purpose of education, to trade with my funds. So if you are interested, most welcome, join my fast growing trading community. And once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.